So I noticed a big hole in my flower bed, which caused me to investigate further. And then I decided to turn on the sprinkler, and look what happened. Here's where I found the cut in the drip irrigation tube. I'm using 2 Barb drip couplings for the repair, and I'm also using an irrigation tube cutter to cut the defective pieces off of the drip irrigation line. As you can see, I have a lot of space where I made the cuts in the irrigation line, and so now I'm going to take a piece of irrigation line and cut it to size so it can fill the space. So I'm adding a Barb drip coupling to each end of the piece of drip irrigation that I'm using to fill in for the gap. And now I'm just going to add it to each end of the cut lines. So I'm done. I have all of the pieces connected, and now I have turned the water on, and you can see where it is a steady drip now versus spewing out everywhere. Super happy. The last step is to fill the hole, and we are done.